How to do self-hypnosis for beginners. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about self-hypnosis, how to find the root cause of your challenges, how to turn them into powerful suggestions, and how to get into a deeply relaxed state to access your subconscious mind. Let's begin. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Self-hypnosis can be done just about anywhere, but for best results, choose a peaceful space where you won't be interrupted. Your goal is to relax your body so deeply that your mind becomes focused, open, and receptive. Many people love doing this practice in bed before sleep or right after waking up, but you can do it at any time of the day that works for you. Step 2. Use the root cause sentence loop. Now, let's discover what you really want to shift. Start by completing this sentence. I, insert problem, because, insert reason. For example, I procrastinate because I'm afraid of failing. Then, go deeper. I, insert reason, because, insert deeper reason. I'm afraid of failing because I don't believe I'm good enough. And then continue on about 5 to 10 times until you uncover a core emotional belief. So, for example, as you continue on, I don't believe I'm good enough because I was always compared to others. Once you find that emotional root, pause there. That's what your subconscious is holding on to. Step 3, flip the belief into affirmations. Now that you've uncovered the root belief, it is time to reframe it. Take the limiting thought and flip it into an empowering, present tense affirmation. Here's some examples. I'm not good enough. Turn it into, I am proud of who I am. I'm afraid of failing. Turn it into, I am brave and I trust myself to grow. So essentially, we're taking those limiting beliefs and we are flipping them into positive affirmations that we're going to use in your self-hypnosis. Make your affirmations believable, personal, and emotionally resonant. Step 4. Get into a relaxed position. Find a posture that supports your deep relaxation. At night, lying flat might feel best. During the day, try sitting or reclining with good support. If you're someone who tends to fall asleep, stay seated upright, but comfortable. There's no right or wrong. Just choose what allows you to stay relaxed, yet aware. Step 5. Breathe deeply. Now we prepare the body and mind. Try this simple breathing technique. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Exhale through your mouth for 6 to 8 counts. Do this for a few rounds to calm your nervous system. Then, begin to relax each part of your body from your head all the way down to your toes as you continue to do your deep breathing. Step 6. Use hypnotic language to relax deeply. Now, gently speak to your subconscious using calming language. Try phrases like, with every breath, I go deeper. Each moment, I feel more at peace. I am safe, I am supported, and I am changing. These words are reaching deep into my subconscious mind. Let your voice be soft, slow, and soothing. Step 7. Repeat your suggestions 5 to 10 times. Once you're very deeply relaxed, after using the hypnotic language, say your affirmations out loud or in your mind, slowly, clearly, and with feeling. Example, I am more than enough, just as I am. Repeat your affirmations 5 to 10 times. Let them really sink in. Feel them becoming true. Use your breath to anchor each repetition. Step 8. Gently return and go about your day. To close your session, say to yourself, a total transformation is taking place in my life now. Take a deep breath, wiggle your fingers and toes, open your eyes slowly, and carry your new belief with you as you move through your day. You can use your affirmation throughout the day, write it down somewhere where you can see it, and just say it whenever you need a boost of confidence or just to remember deep down inside that you are healed and you are healing and that self-hypnosis is working for you.